What did you do to her? What did you do to her?
Honey? Honey, what's the problem? Did you have a nightmare? Honey?
Tony! Oh my goodness! It's been a long time!
You forgot me now.
I didn't.
You're looking so fresh.
Oh, thank you, bro. You too. You're looking good.
Oh, good afternoon. How are you?
That's Uncle Tony.
Sweetheart, how are you doing?
Fine.
Okay,
You're going on.
honey, these two will need to freshen up and eat something. Let me leave the both of you to catch up. All right?
Yeah.
Let's go! Let's go!
You, bro! So tell me, where have you been?
Come on, the last time I checked, you're the one who has refused to come back from America. Tell me, when last did I see you? About 2-3 years ago, yes.
Probably you're right.
You remember?
But that's by the way. We thank God for the breath of
Yes,
life.
indeed, we have to thank God.
Well, the other day, Nancy and I gave you a surprise visit. And there is this lady I met. She introduced herself as Kendra. Is that your new maid?
Come on, that is the woman I want to marry. Yes. Kendra is my girlfriend, and we've been dating almost a year now.
Oh, really?
You don't know that? No.
Oh, okay. Well, I can't keep you standing. Come, let's go have a seat.
No, you're
Come on, man. You deserve
I miss
some.
you. I was shocked to know that girl is your daughter. What is her name again?
Sapphire.
Oh, she's indeed beautiful.
She looks like her dad.
You say that. I know. How did you get to win her mother in court?
Oh. Well, it was the grace of God.
How?
Do you know Sapphire actually made it so easy for me?
How?
She chose me over her Oyibo mother.
She did what?
I'm telling you.
That girl not get sense. So. Tell me, what person go live and can't choose Naija? Not be crazy with that. Anyway, na small pikin she be. By the time she don't stay 2 years and so hammer around straight, she go prefer Yankee over Naija.
What do you mean by that? Remember, Sapphire is just a kid.
I know.
And I guess she loved me more than her mom. And I love her so much. As a matter of fact, she means the whole world to me.
She made the words to you. What about Nancy and Derek? Nancy and Derek. Now about me, Abby. Not before looking up.
We need to talk.
Now your mouth, I collect them.
Okay. I love my wife Nancy and my son Derek. Just that Sapphire is so special to me. As a matter of fact, I treasure her even more than my own life.
Are you serious, man? Be like, that is serious.
Your food is ready.
Okay. All right.
I see your wife here between the toxins.
My makeup is
So
saying,
go
no, we need
face
to
your
go.
wall.
afternoon.
Good afternoon, Dad.
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
Fine, Dad.
I can see you're working on your assignment.
Yes, Dad.
That's nice. Where's your mom?
I don't know. Maybe you should go outside. She might be there. Yes, Dad.
It's okay.
Okay, Dad.
Alright, concentrate.
Derek. Yes? I noticed Mom wasn't actually happy. Yes, I noticed that too. What could be possibly wrong? I wonder. I'll probably ask her when she's settled. Don't forget. Of course I won't.
What is going on? You've been carrying a long face all day.
Am I supposed to be carrying a short face after I heard everything you told Tony about my son and I?
What did I say? What did you hear me tell Tony?
I don't care if she's your treasure. I don't care if you prefer her over my son, Derek.
Where is all this coming from? I didn't see it coming.
As we want to sleep, Father Lord, give us a beautiful sleep in the name of Jesus.
Amen.
In Jesus' name we have prayed.
Amen. Thank you so much, my daughter. Time to go to bed. All right.
Dad, please can you tell me a story?
Oh, I would.
Daddy, please tell me a story.
My angel, I would love to. Just that Daddy's feeling sleepy right now.
Oh, Dad, please.
I promise to tell you 2 stories tomorrow night.
Make it 3.
3? Okay, I'll make it 4.
Oh, thank you, Dad.
Since Daddy is now the best storyteller in the whole world.
Don't forget.
I won't. Mwah. Sweet dreams, okay?
Ciao.
Ciao.
Dad, don't forget.
I won't.
And thank you, Lord, for everything you've done for us.
Thank
We
you,
bless your name for everything, for life, for shelter, for food. Guide us and protect us as we sleep this night.
Amen.
May your angels guide us and protect us in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Amen. Okay, baby. Good night.
Mom,
Yes, baby.
I thought we were supposed to pray together, me, Daddy, and Sapphire.
Okay. Daddy is actually praying with Sapphire. We had to split just to save time. Is that okay?
Okay, Mom.
Alright, sweet dreams, baby.
Okay, Mom.
Mommy loves you so much.
Love you too, Mommy.
Alright,
Once again, good night.
Good night, darling. Get to bed.
Honey, what is it? What is going on? I thought you were even fast asleep. Why are you moody?
Louis, I want to know something. Do you actually prefer your daughter over my son and I?
Really? Is that what this is about?
Yes. This is what it is. How can you say such degrading things to my son and I? You went as far as saying that you prefer Sapphire over everyone and that she means the whole world to you. Meaning that my son and I are just existing in this house like a piece of furniture.
It's all right. I accept. I went out of line. I take all the blame. I am sorry. Please. Honey. Honey, come on. I said I am sorry.
And why do you always treat my son and I as if we're aliens in this house?
But I apologized. Okay. From the deepest part of my heart, I am saying sorry. You know I am not kidding. If I was kidding, I wouldn't come to Nigeria in the first place. I came back because of you. Because I loved you.
You loved me?
Love you. I love you, and you know it. Listen, my love. Sapphire is my daughter, but your child as well. Remember, she chose us over her biological mother. She decided to come back to Nigeria with me because she trusts me. And you've always been her mother from childhood. Please.
She chose you. She did not choose me.
Why are you sounding like this? Tell me anything you want. Just name it. If you can't say it right now, send it via SMS. Even if it means for me to buy you the whole world for peace to reign, I, your husband, will do it. Just name it, and it is yours.
Are you trying to bribe me?
No. I'm just trying to express my true love for you.
But you know I love you, right?
And you know I love you more.
Just be safe for me, okay?
I will, and you too. Okay.
Are you mad? Don't let me ask Thunder to strike that your small mouth. You're calling me mommy. Do I look like your American mommy? Now, why did you leave the dishes Derek ate with in the kitchen? Why? Shut up! Don't call me mommy again. I told you I'm not your mother.
I already finished eating while Derek was still eating. You know I usually wash the plate, but Derek was delaying eating his food, so I had to come upstairs to finish my assignment.
Clap for yourself.
Clap for yourself! Good. You have to leave the plate in the kitchen and came for your book. Now stand up there and go and wash that plate. Wait, hold on. Who asked you to on my AC? Turn it off. You like to make me repeat myself! Don't on the AC in this house because you're wasting my unit. Now go and wash those dishes now. Get out! Come on, will you get that fight? Kill you with my bare hands. This little rat. The next thing my husband will prefer her over me and my son. Useless girl. Sapphire! 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 What are you doing here?
Do my homework.
And why didn't you clean the bathroom and arrange my wardrobe like I asked you to do? Stand up when I'm speaking to you! Kneel down there. Kneel!
Mom, I haven't done anything. I'm sitting here because you asked me not to on the AC or the ceiling fan.
Am I supposed to tell you what to do? I told you to clean the bathroom and arrange my wardrobe clean. Now stand up. I said stand up! Listen. Clean my toilet, my bathroom, and arrange my wardrobe clean. Get out! Stop there! Come back here. Come back. Stand here. I said stand here, don't stress me. Shh. Before you go into the bathroom, go to my kitchen, clean it, and mop the floor. If I see any dirty dish, I will strangle you. Now get out. This silly girl likes to stress me.
Mom, aren't you washing the dishes?
Okay. Go to my room. Wash the toilet thoroughly.
Mom, I'm hungry.
Are you mad? Who told you to speak when I'm talking to you? That's better. Now go to my room. Wash the toilet thoroughly. Get into the room, arrange it, and there are dirty clothes there. And when you look up, there are little cobwebs around there. I want you to clean them very well. Now leave.
Mom, I'm hungry.
I said get out.
Please.
You know I hate to repeat myself. Get out! What are you doing here?
Mom, I was tired and I wanted to sleep.
You were dead and you went to sleep. Really? By the way, who told you you can sleep in my house by this time of the day? Who told you? And have you finished what I asked you to do?
I've been working all morning and at the point I started having severe headache. Mom, please allow me to rest a little.
You are having severe headache. That headache will kill you there. You will die of that headache.
Mommy.
You came up here to sleep when you've not finished what I asked you to do.
I'm sorry. I finished everything you asked me to do.
Did you clean the guest room I asked you to clean? Did you?
Mom, you didn't ask me to clean any guest room.
Oh. So you now argue with me. You're calling me a liar. You're actually calling me a liar. Stand up and go and clean the guest room now.
Okay.
Get out! Oh God, this girl annoys my soul. She annoys my soul. Sapphire! Sapphire!
Sweet? What's the matter? Why are you not eating?
I'm worried.
And why is my baby worried? I give you everything you need. I provide you everything. Why are you worried?
Mom, I know you provide me almost everything. But I want to know why you're being so hard on my sister. You make her do things that are way beyond her age, Mom. Why?
Now I do not want to hear one more word from you. Sit up! Sit straight. Do you think I'm a fool? Or you think mommy enjoys being wicked to your... She is not your sister. Did you hear me?
But Mommy, she's my...
Will you shut up? Everything I do is for your own good. And one day, you will thank me for it. So, eat your food. I spend my precious time making this food for the both of us.
Speaking about eating, Mom, Sapphire hardly fits in this house. Do you starve her on purpose?
You know I hate to repeat myself. Now when I say shut up, I mean shut it. Or do you need a resetting slap for that? A hot one. Eat your food. Now! And make sure you finish it. Eat! That's better.
Sapphire.
See, Felix, you're not supposed to kill. Please.
Wait, I don't talk and say if this woman no kill you for this house, eh? Nothing at all go fit kill you. Eh? Even if you die safe now with body and soul, you go take wherever. Who give you this plenty clothes make you wash Sapphire?
You know how it might get when she comes back and owns twice. Hey.
I beg, forget that thing. They talk say if she come owns back twice. You know how many big women I don't deal with for this my life? See, highest, I go on emergency fasting for 2 days. Wait till they there.
So you don't mind her stabbing you. It's like you don't know what hunger can cause.
Hi, this my friendship. You dey always belittle me. Eh? Look, make I tell you the history when I be US Army for when I go fight for Afghanistan. Na me pursue Osama bin Laden. Na me pursue. All the soldiers because of hunger na so they fall. Only me na I find I reach that place. Oh, Felice, may your soul rest in peace. If you see where I take cash Osama bin Laden, food no dey there. You dey talk about say hungry go. If hungry go even keep person self, na you na hungry go keep.
I don't starve.
And you know they eat. That be my problem. Now my pain say you know they eat. You know you see, you know still they starve. Which kind of confusion be that one? Only you know they eat, only you know they starve. Not be winch. See the plenty clothes that they give you.
See, Felix, go back to your post. Go back to your gate man house.
This my good friend.
Because when she comes back, oh, please don't say I didn't want.
I beg forget that thing. Instead you could just tell me, say, I beg Felix, help me wash. See, our house when I dey swear. Na me piss pass, so I sabi wash clothes. If I piss around 2 o'clock, before 5 I don't wash clothes finish. Just beg me make I help you wash am.
Shebi
Hey,
is now.
I don't die,
You have
yo.
died.
Hey.
I told you.
You don't tell me where. You don't tell me I know here. Where I go pass now? Okay, see, Madam Asuya, tell her say I come. No, just tell her say I come pack dog shit. I dey come. Madam, you gonna make a false now.
So I come back to my house and open the gate when I paid a fool like you to do the same job.
Madam, I don't want to open this gate before you come obstruct me. Oh.
What did you say?
Sorry, I said.
What did you say?
I said I don't want to open the gate before you call.
You're just an idiot.
Yes.
Open this gate.
Thank you. Madam, make her open her. You want to open her?
Open it!
Okay. I go open her.
And what were you saying when I was going out?
Madam, I dey talk say I go need assistant or two.
What exactly do I pay you for?
Madam,
What?
Madam, you don't understand. This gate don't too heavy, so I go need person to support, or they go support the.
You're very stupid.
I know, madam.
You know exactly how I am when I'm angry, right?
If I don't know, no. You did very wicked. In fact, if you turn this house,
You're very stupid, like I said earlier.
I know,
And
madam.
thank your gods that I'm in a good mood today.
I say Ariso. Madam, welcome. Madam. Madam, you go. Follow me.
That's
Close
how you
it.
want to start.
In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Derek, what are you doing here?
Praying with you? Look, I don't know why my mom is doing all these things to you.
Me neither.
It hurts me so bad. Especially when my dad is not around. I wouldn't even do or say anything that can change her mind.
What's going on here?
I came in to check how Sapphire is faring.
Did you not hear me shout your name downstairs?
No, Mom, I didn't hear you.
Get out. Get out!
Mom, I'm sorry in any way I've offended you. Please. Please.
If you come any closer, oh, really?
Yes, Mom.
I'm treating her harshly.
Yes. You will stab her, and I'll tell Dad when he comes back.
If you try that, if you ever think about it, I will show you the kind of mother you have.
But mommy, what did she do?
Listen and listen carefully. I want you to stay far away from that girl. I'm sure you know the kind of mother you have. If you don't, I will show you some example.
Felix, where's the car? I'm not asking a question. Where's the car, my mom?
Which one? The one where he drive come when I open gate for. Okay, she don't leave it for house. Carry Ole only picking the go school again. Hey, yeah.
Left me.
Listen. She has what? No. She has write you. When at the open gate, when the car they go, where they go? Come this side. It is if you open this gate, even if I give you 4 years. Come here. I tell you, see that woman don't like you. Now only picking I carry go school. Eh? Now she don't leave you. Now every day. How you go leave America? They come in Nigeria here, they come repeat class. Call your papa. Tell him say me come carry you go back to America. Or on a passport loss. They go this side, they go there. They go as he don't leave you. They don't drive, go far titi. They go down the school, go down and take break. Which kind wickedness this woman is? If to say now for no open this gate for Ramo. She have left every day, they left it. Now for me to come find all these people where they rub waste, me they massages.
The next time I hear you talk about Sapphire again, I will strangle you to death. Are you stupid or what? Is something wrong with you?
Mom, it's just...
Will you shut up your mouth? Don't you ever speak when I'm talking again. And I told you that severally. Is anything the matter with you? Rubbish.
Sorry, Mom.
Sorry for yourself. I'm telling you, my sister, you needed to have seen the way my husband was talking to that little devil. My dear, if I don't take my time, my husband will chase away my son and I from this house. I'm telling you seriously. You know your friend now. I won't allow that. That will be over my dead body. I'm not even started dealing with her. By the time I'm done, she'll be a shadow of herself. Yes, so. Trust your friend, you know exactly what I can do. Okay, that's fine. Okay, my dear. Thank you so much for checking up on me. I appreciate it. Alright, bye.
Yes, Mom, I'm good.
Where is this girl?
Sapphire! Sapphire! Get over here! Now, go into my room, pick the dirty clothes, and go into Derek's room. Pick his dirty clothes and his bedsheet and wash them thoroughly clean. Is that okay?
Okay.
But, Mom, I can wash my clothes myself.
Will you shut up? Don't forget to take his uniform and his stockings and wash them very well. Did you hear me?
Yes.
Now get out. And you? How many times have I told you not to interrupt me when I'm speaking? You see you, I will break your skull one day. And let me not get to the car before you.
Wait. What you talking about for your mouth just now? Oh God. Eh? I didn't come here to come sympathize with you. They call oh God.
Sympathize with who? Over what exactly? Over what?
Sapphire. The way they look you go so die you. Yes. Wait, not tell me say since that time you still dey here dey wash these clothes. Eh? Wait oh. This big house now dirty clothes na full inside. I mean na only you. Your mama were born you for abroad. Na dry cleaner work she dey do for that side.
You're not even supposed to be here. Before you know it, she'll be running at the gate. And I don't need to tell you what will.
I bet forget that thing. I know the way she go take behave. Everybody knows say your stepmother wicked. See, she just yellow, but her mind is black past charcoal. She don't like you at all. See, Sapphire, Shebi you don't want to listen to my advice, Abi? You wait till they tell you so you don't want to listen to the advice.
Thank you for advice, but no thank you.
No problem. See, pikin of your age for Nigeria, they die. Don't worry. Wait, be. How you not gonna do next like get kwachoko now? Because you don't too suffer for work now. You dey. Oh. Wait. Good morning. Welcome, ma. Madam, you know carry your car come and be the on the thief am. Madam, because I no hear the on sound. I can't feel say maybe you never come.
Are you stupid or what? You the Chris?
Sorry, madam.
Is it that you're mad or you're stupid? Which one is it?
Madam, sometimes I don't know whether they mad or they I know in fact I confused. Which one I be, madam? Tell me.
Fool!
Okay, madam, I don't know now. Welcome.
And you, madam? So this is what you do, huh? When I leave my house, you and this idiot will turn it upside down, right?
Madam, no verse, I beg. I only come to come help am.
Help her do what exactly?
Yes.
Oh, I see. You're sleeping with her already, huh? Huh?
Madam, with due respect, which kind talk with that one now? How you go say I dey sleep with this? If I leave me and this girl like that for bed, who they go dey see? Not be let me they go dey see for the bed.
They talk. Come up here. Get out from here! Get out.
Hey, madam, I won't go. So which side I go pass? Welcome, ma.
Get out. Got you. You. If this kind of thing repeats itself again, I will strangle you. You see this your smart? I will strangle you. I come back to my house and I open the gate by myself. And this rascal is here talking. You are helping her. When I pay you to open the gate, did I tell you to pay to be a help?
What's the problem? Why is your face like that?
Why my face not go dey like this? Eh? Anytime when you see my face like this, it mean code red. Danger. And as I sit down here, so I just dey hold my temper. If not, I go don explode. Oh! Shebi they see wetin your mama they do all of us for this house. You know they see am.
Please, don't speak to my mother in that manner.
Which one be manner? Eh? See, make I tell you, no call involve manner because manner na bread. I don't remember say your mama get bakery. Na character. A character no good. You know they see wetin she dey do.
But I talked to my mother.
Who they talk?
My mother said you should come and take the dog food. And she said if you eat a pinch out of the dog food, you will know. So go and take the dog food and feed the dog.
Oh, Felix, may your soul rest in peace. Now me, now you dey talk when I never chop. They say make dog call it. Make dog call it, abi. Now us I go kill the dog.
Mom, I'm through washing the clothes.
Are you the first person to wash clothes?
Yes, Mom. For her age. Mom, she's too small to wash huge number of clothes like that. You know, Mom, she's too small.
Will you shut up? How many times have I warned you not to speak when I'm talking to somebody? Madam, you said you're done washing the clothes. What is it?
I'm hungry.
Now, since you're done washing the clothes, get into the house. Get a broom and a mop. I want you to sweep here thoroughly, mop the floor so I can see my reflection through the ground. Do you understand me?
Mommy, please,
Get out! I will strangle you. You know your mother very well, right? I will kill you myself.
Derek! What are you doing here?
I just want to help you, okay? Meanwhile, I sneaked some food under your bed. You can hurriedly go eat while I finish this up.
No. You know how mom might get when she comes here and see you like this. See, I can't let you do this. Thank you for the food. What? You can't do this. Please. Please.
I know, I'm just tired of seeing you suffering.
I'm not suffering. I'm just learning how to be a strong woman.
Why are you stubborn? When did you start loving suffering?
Since the day I was turned into a maid in my own father's house.
That's the main reason I want to help you. Let me do this, okay?
No! Derek, please go.
What is going on here?
Mom, I tried.
Will you drop that thing, my friend? Get inside. Get inside. And why is he doing what I asked you to do?
I tried to stop him. I tried.
You tried to stop him by making him do the chores that I asked you to do, right?
No, I tried. Oh.
Get over here. Now sweep! Sweep it! What is it?
Tell you something.
Make it fast. I'm watching a program.
Mom, I apologize. In any way I've wronged you. Please forgive me. I'm sorry.
Ah. Who put you up to this? Derek, I guess?
No. I told of apologizing. And he was forgetting to take me to school.
I'm always forgetting to take you to school.
Now listen very well. And hold your ears while I speak to you. Hold it tight. You will not step your feet into that school again unless your father is around. Will you shut up? Get out! Sapphire! Sapphire! This boy is not down here. Derek! You'll be late for school. Okay, let's go. Where are you going?
I'm going to school.
What part of you're not going to school until your father returns that you don't understand?
But Mom, why?
Get into the car before I shut your mouth for you. 1, 2. Who asked you to dress up in the first place? I'm talking to you! Now, when I leave, I want you to clean this whole house thoroughly. Get into my kitchen, wash the dishes, and there's some dirty clothes in the laundry basket. Make sure they are washed. Is that clear? Yes, baby, we are very fine. And you? Yeah, the kids are fine. I just brought them back from school not long ago. Sapphire? Baby, that girl is growing fat by the day. You need to see her when you come back, I'm telling you. I mean, she eats a lot, but I like that though. Of course, yes. They are my children. I need to take very good care of them. That's my job. Yes, baby, and you? Yeah, we just miss you, that's all. Okay, okay. All right, take care of yourself and always remember we love you. Yeah, bye. Oh,
Babe, you've been on your PC for over an hour now. Missed you.
My dear, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to finish up a report.
What?
Yes, of course. Sweetheart, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
That's my baby girl.
But Dad,
What?
I think something is wrong with Uncle Luis's daughter. That's my new friend.
What do you mean?
She hasn't been in school for over a long time now.
And why is that?
I don't know. Did she travel?
I don't think so. No.
The only person I know who traveled was her father and will be returning very soon. But don't worry, sweetheart. I will find out why she has not been coming to school. Are you okay with that?
Oh, babe, could she be sick?
I'm not sure of that.
Daddy, please. Can I visit her?
Look at your
Of course you can.
Yeah.
But we have to create a room for that. Okay? Are you happy now? That's
Thank
my
you,
baby
Daddy.
girl.
I love you.
Sapphire. Do you want to get me into trouble with your father? Why are you looking so unkempt? Please, can you go in, take your bath, change your clothes, and comb your hair?
But Mom, this is what she's been wearing. And you said it's beautiful, so why do you want her to change now?
If I slap you, I will make sure I slap one teeth out from your mouth. Go and have your bath immediately. Now! I don't have your time yet.
What is wrong with you two? Aren't you happy to see Daddy?
Daddy, we're happy to see you,
But Daddy did not buy you and your sister anything. Sweet, Daddy did not buy me anything as well. He came back empty-handed. But not to worry, my angels. Daddy will make it up to you, okay?
Don't worry. I am going to make it up to you on my next trip, okay?
You see, I told you.
Now eat.
Eat, sweetheart, eat.
And smile for Daddy. Eat your food, okay? Come on. If you don't eat, I'll take your meat and I'll eat it. Now I got you too.
Do I feed you? Okay.
Come on, Sophia. Enjoy your meal. Honey, don't you think you should open a restaurant?
Derek!
Oh, Mom. Yeah, Mom. Good evening. Good evening, Mom.
Stand up there and follow me.
But Mom, you can see I'm studying.
What part of follow me don't you understand? Now get your butt up there and follow me immediately!
Auntie Kendra, Dad says he was going to do something about my visit to Saphire's place.
Oh, that's true. But I think Dad forgot. Don't worry, I'll remind him. Yeah?
Remind who? What?
Dad stole into our conversation again.
See you saying I stole into your conversation again.
Dad always too into our conversation. I don't know why.
Come on. Are you trying to say it's my fault? That I show up whenever you two are gossiping?
It wasn't a gossip.
Then what is it?
It was about the promise you made.
Me?
Yes.
Of course.
When are you taking me to see Sapphire?
Oh,
Dad?
Sweetheart, I swear I forgot. I totally forgot. But don't worry. I'll make it up to you.
Better.
I promise. I promise. Are you okay?
Yes, Dad.
So put on a smile. That is my baby girl. I love it when she smiles. You know?
And I love her so much.
Oh, she's my daughter.
Now do you understand why I do everything I do?
But why are you telling me this?
Because you always oppose everything I do.
That was because I didn't know about it.
Well, now you do.
But you mean Dad loves her and prefers her over me?
Not just that he loves her more than you, but he can do anything just to make her happy.
But why does he prefer her over me?
I have no idea. But son, let me tell you something. I will deal with her. I will deal with her so much that she will regret ever stepping her feet into this country. But all I need is your support. Do I have it?
Yes, you do.
That's my boy.
I never knew this was it.
Sapphire. So you mean say what you dey tell me now so not true?
I'm telling you.
Hey! Look, I swear, if not the time when I did US Army, when I be like say I dey go war, any war where they come here, I go go. Everybody go die, the major go die. See, only me now they come back alive. Wetin I for don't use this madam eye. Wetin I for don't use her eye see. Eh? The thing they pay me now, this one na blue black oppression. Okay, now, as if say that one no do. The boy come dey watch the boy with eye, but why he won't allow the boy brain resemble her color?
See, I don't understand. And by the way, stop calling me Sapphire. My name is Sapphire.
Now, so this our friendship say bless you, we will soon break up. Oh. I know they know the one where you dey. And they support you today, I'll support you to which your record is like you not go do like that for our opponent. My name is Sapphire. Now make sure they fire you, never stay explode. Which kind of fire you be safe? Your fire not they get, they explode. See, come, this is our friendship. You know, say na me like you pass for this house. Actually, you know. So all this your phonetic, you go just the carry and they go that side. Eh? See, no verse. Because of you, I go call US president for midnight call. You the verse they go. Okay.
What do you mean you don't understand? That is what my daughter Harmony told me. I was so confused myself.
But why won't my daughter Sapphire go to school? That doesn't sound normal. That's not possible.
Lois, are you sure your wife is genuine?
What do you mean by that?
I'm not really trying to sound awkward. But what if she's really not whom you think she is?
You are not trying to sound awkward, but realistically, you're beginning to get on my nerves, and I don't like that. Not about my wife.
Tony, open your eyes. The realities of things.
Listen, I don't want us to talk about my wife anymore. Can you change the topic now? Please?
All right, if you say so. But make sure that your daughter is going to school, especially when you're not around.
I thought we changed the topic.
I thought too.
You're very funny. You know, those guys are players, so you have to play along. Hey, honey.
Hey, sugar. I hope you're enjoying the meal.
Of course. Come on, you know you're a good chef.
You can say that again.
Who owns the dress in your hand?
I bought this beautiful dress for my beautiful daughter.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Aha. The cloth is really nice.
I know, right? You know, the word says I am pretending and I'm not taking very good care of my daughter. But you know what? I proved them wrong with my show of magnanimity and kindness towards her.
And only a good mother does that.
You're right, sweetheart. Well, let me go have a try it on.
As you please, my queen.
Your Majesty.
I love you.
I love you too, sugar.
Lois, you know, I've really seen this kind of things before.
Indeed. You know, a few minutes ago, you were accusing my wife that she doesn't take good care of my daughter, and now you look all confused simply because she bought my daughter a beautiful dress.
Oh, she must be a really good woman to have put up that kind of act. I usually love to see things like this to the end.
And what is that supposed to mean?
I'm just saying, your wife is so kind. You must be very lucky to have her as a woman.
Please, enjoy your meal.
Oh, I'm doing that already.
And do not forget to drink some water.
Hello, princesses. How are you? My baby. Aya, come and try your new clothes on.
Me?
Of course, you, Angel. Come on, try it on. Here you go. I'm waiting for you.
Does she really like you that much? I'm confused. I'm sure she's doing this because my dad is around. I'm really sure. So your father would think she treats you with love and kindness. Exactly.
Sophia, are you stupid? Why will you take my game pad?
Derek!
Derek, why would you use such foul words on your sister?
She took my game pad without my consent. Tell her to stop that nonsense. Tell her I don't like it.
When did you start being self-centered and materialistic? When?
Why do you prefer her over me?
Derek! Don't talk to dad like that.
Come on, will you shut up that your small
Shut
dirty
up!
mouth?
Shut your mouth up. Get out of my sight.
Of course I will leave. Because I know you prefer her over me. You not prefer her. Stop.
Can you imagine?
Why would you speak to my son like that? Why? Why would you shout at him like that? What did he do?
Ask your son.
I told you, right? I told you he prefers her over you. But when I tell you these things, you claim as if I'm weak or I talk too much. You've seen it for yourself, haven't you? It's okay, sweet. It's okay. Stop crying. Mommy loves you.
Honey, the other day, one of Sapphire's teachers told me she has not been going to school. And from my estimation, that was the same period I traveled. Tony also made mention of it. Probably his daughter, Harmony, told him. Is that true?
Honey, how can that be true? I mean, she's lying. The teacher is lying as well.
Are you saying that little girl is not being truthful?
Of course, my love. She's lying. And her father could be the one inciting her. You know Tony does not like me that much.
I think you have a point there. Well, and what about our son Derek? He's becoming so naughty these days. What has happened to him?
Honey, he's that way because you're not paying attention to him. And he actually confided in me.
Derek told you that?
Yes, he did.
Sounds funny. Well, I'm going to talk to him briefly tomorrow.
Okay.
You see, my love, I'm not trying to bother you with any of this. Just that I just want to make sure my family is okay, especially in my absence.
Your family is perfect. And those trying to separate us with lies will not succeed, I promise you that.
Yeah, sure. I trust you. Okay? Felix. Felix!
Boy, sir.
Yeah, mom. How are you?
I did fine. No. I've been no different before, but since you come yesterday, I don't do okay now.
And what is that supposed to mean?
Okay, even if I explain to you, you know, if you understand.
Explain further.
Okay, you know, say anytime when you know they around there, this fine house where you build for you, everywhere go just be hot. As if say na year was only at a break. The heat not be small, you know.
But your room is fully air conditioned. So where was the heat coming from?
Okay, the kind eat when they talk so condition not be mate, not the film sham. Okay, the kind eat not be small thing.
Honey, please, can we go? You know how it is. He's wasting our time. Please, let's go.
Okay.
Now the heat when I try.
You can't be lost.
Please open the...
Wait! Are you stupid? Why didn't you talk to knock and wait for a response before barging into someone's privacy? I knocked, but you didn't respond. What's going on? I don't understand. Then you wait for a response or get out! Come on, get up from my bed. You must not sit before I hear you. I see what's going on. Did mom put you up to this? How dare you speak about my mom in that manner? Now get out! Derek. I said get out! I'm not leaving your room.
What is going on here?
Mom is braiding my hair. And look at the new dress she got for me.
I can see. And mom is good at making hair as well. It's all right. Let me allow you guys to concentrate. I want to quickly go get something. I'll be back soon. All right?
Okay, honey.
Don't take long.
All right, my daughter. I won't, okay?
All right, love. Don't be long.
I won't.
If she don't like you, that means it better now. It good.
I know what she's up to. I know exactly what she's up to. She's pretending. Yeah, she's pretending.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure because if she dey pretend, she not go fit do this kind of fine hair for you now. Madam, when I know, except say maybe I'll Ogbanje travel or Ogbanje go Omugo. Because Madam, when I know, no go fit pretend. What about Derek? I hear say you beat Derek 2 days ago.
Aren't you even hear about all this? Second one.
Now me, they ask that question. Hi, this question too funny. If to sit today na Christmas day for laugh. Now me, they ask a former US Army chief security officer. See, small thing I come out for be monitoring demon. I know everything where they go, not just for this compound, the whole street. Okay, make I shock you now. Day before yesterday, I think you know say madam cook rice where salt too much. One and not fit eat where they put her for her side. Okay. 7,999 fly from southeast. All of them I come do meeting for you.
Jesus.
Even when I come, the noise they say sorry for disturbance. I don't know see the girls come meeting. I can't go back. Yeah.
Well, see, I and Derek just had a little fight. Just a little fight. And we settled it afterwards.
Now one quarrel before now go suppose settle for Nigeria. Yeah, if they fight, they settle that day. In fact, if I beat you, for example, now say me and you fight, I beat you. I fit go buy beer for you, or if you buy beer for me. Now so they do. So I not expect it. But see, I'm not sure saying a little fight because now so I hear madam voice they shout wah 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 wah. Like say this whole compound won't fall.
Felix, you know how mom exaggerates. Anytime, like, no.
Wait. As I be keep my list, so The day when me and you go quarrel, I don't dey tell you, say, not they call her my mommy. How you expect that kind of woman to be my mama? See, now work, I can't work for this place. So, and if that my work don't tire me, I go. Even you say, if you get sense, you're not supposed to dey call her your mommy. You know why? You never want to get sense.
Felix.
Sapphire.
My name is not Sapphire.
Your name is Sweetie.
Sapphire.
You not be better friend. You not see my new shoe where the weight become for me for US. You not see how they shine.
Hey, sweet.
Mom, do you know that Sapphire sat at the backyard and started gossiping you with that gate man?
Really?
Yes.
Hey! Come here. Come here. Hold it, please. Hold it tight! How many times?
What is going on here?
Dad, Mom was told Sapphire 10 to tell number to stop talking to the gate man, but Sapphire wouldn't listen.
Why? Is Felix a plague? Is he not a human being like each and every one of us?
Honey, we're talking about the gate man here.
And so, be empirical for once. Sapphire, please come.
You really amaze me, Louis. You really amaze me.
Listen, Nancy. The major point I am trying to make here is there are over 1,000 ways to discipline a child rather than physical abuse. You know how much I dislike it.
I don't care whether you like it or not. I do not care whether you like it or not. You know what? She's no longer my business. She can talk to whoever she wants to talk to. Felix can actually go ahead and sleep with her. Rubbish.
What? Listen to me, Tony. There is no perfect family on this earth, not even in the most religious families. And I don't think it is necessary for anyone to start pinpointing faults here and there in my own family when they have lots of errors internally in their families. So please, enough of all this.
Well, you're right. I think you make some point there. But do you know that there are certain things you're really not paying attention to?
Like what?
Sapphire, your daughter, told Harmony that your wife beat her up and make her do things beyond her age in your absence.
In my absence?
Yes, of course.
That doesn't sound okay. That sounds like a big lie to me.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
So what do you mean?
Whatever my beloved wife Nancy cannot do in my presence, she would never do it in my absence. Come on, this is someone I've known for years. More or less of doing these terrible things you're talking about to my beloved children. Doesn't sound okay.
This is the point. She does not do it to your children. She does it to Sapphire because she's jealous. She feels you love Sapphire more than Derek. Can't you see?
Shut up, Tony. Just shut your mouth up. You see, I think I have overstayed my welcome in your house because...
Hey, bro, I thought we were going to somewhere together.
You can go alone. Because right now you are really getting on my nerves. If I spend 1 minute further, I'm going to be very mad at you.
Serious?
Goodbye.
Hey, madam, Louis, don't leave this house. If you do, you're not going to see me again. I mean it.
Suit yourself.
I mean it.
Suit yourself.
I can't believe this.
Imagine a nonsense.
Wait. You mean Louis walked out on you? Because you're trying to open his eyes to see what is happening in his own house, which he's blind to see. He must be very silly and stupid.
Sweetheart, please don't talk about him in that manner.
I'm sorry. I'm just pissed right now.
I understand. I just pray he realizes all these things before it's too late. That is just my fear.
I pray so. But sometimes it's good for someone to learn lesson in hard ways.
Oh, I'm not in support of that. I lost my wife to cancer when Amani was barely 3 years old. And I remember how she used to cry all through the night. That has made me have a bird's eye view of what motherly women have been going through. But far from that, they made me think that marriage wasn't for me.
How do you mean?
They made it seem as if there was something wrong with me. That is the reason I lost my 2 wives to the same disease.
Are you trying to say you lost your 2 wives to the same disease?
Cancer. And I told you before.
Oh, I get. Now I remember. But wait a minute. Why are you telling me all these things over again?
I'm telling you all this because I have a question for you.
A question?
Yes. Kendra. See, I've searched around the world, but I feel more comfortable with you. See, I really wish to spend the rest of my life with you. Kendra, will you be my wife?
He did it! He proposed!
Oh, come on. Stop it.
You finally did it!
I don't get it. What are you doing?
Oh my goodness!
Yes, you will!
Did you put her up to this?
Can you just put that ring on my finger already? Stop talking! Do it! Come on! Wow. Yes! Wow. Finally. He did it.
I know you're happy.
I'm so happy. Guys, he did it!
Take it easy.
Thank you, baby.
I'm happy you're happy.
I'm very happy. This means the whole world to me. Mama, saying yes to him has made my day. This means more than the whole world to me. The daughter said yes for me. Yes, she knew about it and she told me last night. And I love her so much. Okay, Mama, no problem. I'll come and see you soon. Alright. Bye.
And what have they come here to do?
I only came back for old time's sake.
Bro, you had no choice, my friend.
Still say I have no choice.
You're welcome. Please, sit.
Thank you.
What could be the motive behind this expensive wine? Oh, I forgot. You actually brought this as a bribe for me to accept your apologies, isn't it?
You're mad. I know that is what you're going to say. Do you know you have pride?
Mm-hmm.
Well, no, you don't know.
Have you forgotten I'm a lion? Once a lion, always a lion. We've got pride.
Wait. That is not the reason I am here.
Okay.
You're asking why we brought this wine for you, right?
My ears are itching.
You want to know? He wants to know. Let me tell you. The woman I want to spend my forever with said yes to me, bro. She said yes to me.
Oh, yes.
Tell me it's a lie. Tell me it's a lie.
Come
Come on, congratulations to you. Give me a big hug. Wow, congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm so happy. Congrats. Congrats, bro.
Honey, so you can't say anything wrong with me, miss.
Hold on. My baby is upstairs. She needs to be part of the celebration.
Oh,
Sweetheart! Sweetheart! Please come over here. Oh my goodness. I am so happy that finally an angel, God bless you for changing this stupid boy into becoming a responsible man.
Don't say that about me. I will not take it from you.
But that,
You know I'm a good man.
good man.
This man,
Good
just
man
lying.
indeed. Calm down, honey. Where are you? Please come. There's a big news in the house.
I'm really happy for you. Congratulations once again. Thank you very much, my dear friend. Auntie Kendra is a very good person. I know. I see the way she relates with you. You're a really lucky person. I'm really suffering. Especially when my dad isn't around. I wish I was with my mom in the US. Don't talk like that, Sapphire. But that's the truth. My mom gave me all I wanted. But just that she wasn't always around. But I think it's better over there. Don't talk like that, Sapphire. You have me, and I am your best friend. If you didn't come, how will I have met you? That's true. But I am being tormented. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. You tell me that all the time. Remember?
And you see the reason I hate the nature of your job. You always travel. And we need you around. The kids need you.
But this is work, honey. My major source of income. As for the kids, they need to feed. Their school fees must be paid.
Do you have to travel all the time?
Yes. It's the nature of my job. Okay?
Okay. So how long will you be gone for this time?
Let's say 2 weeks.
2 whole weeks?
Just 14 days.
And you call that just?
Come on, my love. You have to understand, okay? Before you know it, I'll be back. Okay. You know you're my baby. And I know your favorite ice cream. And I promise I'm gonna get you your favorite flavor. Vanilla ice cream. Okay? I promise you that. I know you don't joke with that particular flavor.
Okay.
Come on, before you know it, I'll be back, okay?
Alright, but you know I'll miss you, right?
I promise you, by the time I get there, I'll call you every morning, at lunch, and in the night before I go to bed. 3 times a day.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay, my love.
Thank you.
But you know I'll miss you.
I know, and I'll miss you too. Alright? So can we sleep now? I need to wake up early in the morning.
Yes, we can.
Alright then. Good night.
Dad. Don't you think 2 whole weeks is rather too long? Like, that's forever.
Baby, don't mind your daddy. He wants to leave us for 2 long weeks. And that's so unfair.
Well, Dad needs to work. So it's too important that I can't let it go. That's why he's going to stay for so long.
That's very correct, my boy.
Yeah, Dad.
Give me a high five. You see, your mom and sister are trying to set an emotional trap for your dad.
Yeah. That's not true. But you know we will miss you. But Dad, I actually want to see Harmony.
Harmony? It's alright. Remind mommy later and she'll take you there. Okay?
Sure, baby. I'll take you, okay? Now eat your food before you know it. That is back.
So, everyone, table manners. If you talk, I'll take your chicken. And
Where is Dad?
Your dad went for a walk.
Okay. And I've noticed Sophia is not in this house too.
She went with your dad.
Dad left me behind.
Well, if you ask your father, he will say, Sapphire and I used to take a walk while in the US. So they went together.
But this isn't US. This is Nigeria.
Did that hurt you? When I talk to you about these things, you take Sapphire's side. Cry well. I'll fetch you a bucket so your tears will fill the bucket.
Dad left me behind.
Woo!
Are you okay? What is wrong?
I'm fine.
Well, where is my son Derek? I haven't seen him since I returned from a walk with Savannah.
Louis, Derek has a room. And he has been there since he realized you went on a walk with your favorite child.
Really? Well, I don't have time for this right now. Excuse me.
Am I lying? Is that not true? All I hear in this house is Sapphire, Sapphire, Sapphire this, Sapphire that. Not to worry. It's not your fault I allowed it.
Come on, Derek. You can't allow every little thing to make you cry. Okay?
But, Daddy, why do you prefer Sapphire over me? You always carry Sapphire along and leave me behind.
I did not choose anyone over you. Okay? Just that I relate with both of you differently. You mean the whole world to me. And I love you just the same way I love your sister Sapphire. Okay?
Daddy.
Come here.
Jesus' name I've prayed with our hearts.
Amen. So, you lie down and I'm going to turn off the light.
Dad, please wait.
What is it, my baby?
Dad, it's never fun when you're not here. That's why I said, can I go to the Tonys until you return?
Baby, I know you're still trying to blend with your new mom and brother Derek. You see, these things takes time. Okay?
Dad, I've known them for over 2 years now. When am I going to blend in? Dad, please, can I go to the Tonys until you get back?
Listen, there is a saying that says that the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. With time, you will understand. And this is your father's house. This is your house. You're safer here. Please understand. Okay? Everything will be fine. I understand how you feel. Okay? Come on. Time to sleep. Okay? Good. So come lie down.
Dad, I have heard all you said. I will try to do my best.
Do more than your best. Sapphire is your sister and you need to look out for her.
It's just that she doesn't listen to anyone else. She only confirms in that Felix the get man.
That's because Felix is the only one that makes her feel at home and loved. You must make her feel that way, not like a total stranger. Do you understand, my boy?
Okay, Dad.
Good.
I promise, Dad.
Good to hear.
Good night, Dad.
All right, my boy. Good night.
I'll try to do my best.
Thank you, my boy. The kids are good now. I believe everyone is fine after speaking to them at some length.
Good for them.
Nancy, I want you to intentionally start looking after these kids. You know they are just children.
And what have I been doing? Haven't I been taking care of them? Look, Louis, if you don't know what to say, you might as well go to sleep.
Why do you sound like you don't like the fact that I said the kids are good now?
How is that my business? How is it my business? Look. I can't do this with you just now, please. Just let me be.
Honey? Honey, please hurry up! I don't want to miss my flight. Ah.
Dad, are you really leaving?
Oh, my baby. Don't worry. I'll be back before you know it. And I've got some good news for you.
Dad, tell me about it, please. Tell me.
Harmony will visit by the weekend.
Really?
Dad, by the way, have a good trip.
Okay, my son. I will.
And stay safe for me, okay?
Of course I will. And I'll always call you guys on the phone, okay?
Okay, Dad.
Honey! Please, hurry up. I don't have much time.
Dad, is Mom following you?
No. She just sent me off to the airport.
Oh.
She'll be back, okay? All right. See you guys. Come here.
We love you.
Come here, my boy. I love you too, okay?
Okay,
Stay
Daddy.
safe. Don't play too much.
Mommy, good afternoon.
Hey, come back and what were you doing there?
I was just...
Felix!
Madam, I dey check. If you see this thing, they lose photosynthesis, so I can't dey.
Stupid! Now listen! And listen very good. You can fool around for all I care when my husband is around. But if you mess with me, I will deal with you so merciless that you will regret entering this compound. The next time I see that girl around you, you will lose your job.
This one wey bless every day, you go dey threaten me if I mess. If you stand the smell, one day I go really mess, make you see how the smell be. Give me one reason, eh? Tell me one reason why God not go suspend everything wey they do for her, come that come punish this woman. Eh? How many months you want me you to sweep this big compound? See the way they don't turn my sapphire as young widow. Just be a year. Though, oh, your waist. Sorry, yeah. No worry, yeah. Just try, even if not 2 weeks. Any more way if you sweep, reach me, you stop. Come inside, I go weave your hair, you hear? You hear, though? Oh, this madam. Just finish me, you come inside.
What is it?
Mom, don't you think the punishment you're giving her in this house is too much?
Have you started with your nonsense again? What are you even saying?
You don't understand me. I mean, she might die of the things you're making her do in this house.
Then let her die. Let her die for all I care because she has no use in this house.
Mom, did I just hear you say let her die?
Mm-hmm.
If she dies, Daddy will kill all of us here and kill himself. And I don't want to die. I don't want to die.
If you don't want to eat this fruit, stand up and get out. Graduated witch. So you had the guts to go into my kitchen and cook this noodles for yourself?
I was very hungry.
You had the...
Please.
Mom, is she a witch that she will sneak in and out of this house?
That girl, I will so deal with her that there's nothing left to behold of her.
No, Mom. Daddy will not be happy
If his golden child is missing when he comes back, right?
Yeah.
Look, let me carry the body. All right? That girl, ever since she came into the picture, your father changed completely and it hurts me to my soul.
But, Mommy, you know she's the actual reason that Dad came back from America.
Who cares?
Okay, I have a plan. Yeah.
That's my smart boy. Tell me about it.
How about you bring up something that will always take her out of the house? Yes, you worry less about her.
That's interesting. So tell me, what do you have in mind?
Maybe you should bring up something.
Okay, I'll do that. That's my boy. I love you.
I love you too, Mama.
Mr. Man, did I call you here to come and play?
Mommy, I'm tired. I've taken enough clothes downstairs. I've taken how many downstairs, yet it's not reducing, but it's increasing.
Really? You're tired? Just that I asked you to take the clothes downstairs to someone that is washing that you're tired. What if I asked you to wash it then? How would you feel?
Mommy, I've taken enough downstairs. I've taken too many. And if I take others, she will not be able to wash others well.
Oh.
Yes.
Let her try, then I will strangle her. That her long neck, I will strangle it.
Mommy, this is enough. It's enough for today. Mommy, look at me. It's too much. It's enough.
Look at this one. My friend, will you pack this clothes and go downstairs? You're still standing here?
How be that? See my people, oh! Beautiful. Welcome.
Hi, Sapphire.
Sophia. I don't know whether she's still there alive, because I never see her today. So,
Jesus, is she dead?
if you ask me, who I want to ask my sister, as I never see her today now, so I don't know. Now even the ghost that they wait for, if she pass, make her ask her who kill her.
I don't understand. What do you mean by all these things?
Sis, don't let me open book for you. If I open book for you, you go just day yourself, don't the more. If you know what that wicked woman they use that guy they see for this compound, if they heap plenty clothes they give her the wash throughout the night, that small girl they wash clothes all through the night. Different mosquito now bite that girl. Malaria mosquito, typhoid mosquito, BP mosquito. All the mosquito they chop that girl body throughout. I never see her. I never go there since.
Felix, wait, I don't understand. You mean Sapphire wash clothes overnight, the whole night?
Auntie, if those ain't her clothes like all this one when me and you they wear for good, she they wash parachute. All those big parachutes where if you cover, you go cover everywhere for bed. Now they pack, they will pack like 17, give them. Both the one where not dirty, both the one where dirty, both the one where they want buy, where still they go pack all of them, give and wash them. I think 2 days ago, she want hang them.
It's okay,
Now
it's
the
okay, Felix.
parachute come the hang Sapphire.
It's okay, it's okay. How could you be so callous and insensitive? You made the child who is barely 10 to wash clothes overnight. And that is not enough. You allow her sleep outside in her own father's house. What daughter of Jezebel vomited into this world?
You're stupid. You're very, very mad. You had the guts to come into my house and speak to me in that tone.
Now listen to me, you unhappy buffalo. That child picked her father over her mother, who is willing to give her the whole world. But she chose to be here.
If you get out of my house.
If you try this again, I'll beat you to pulp. Rubbish.
You woke up this morning, sat down for hours and painted your face like this, only to come to my house and fight me, right?
The only thing that is saving you right now is because this is your house. I'll meet you somewhere else.
Get out.
Nonsense.
Witch.
Rubbish.
Huh. Some people are really jobless, eh? God. Yes, honey, I'm telling you. You need to see what they did to me. She brought her dogs and beat me up. My face is filled with bruises. Honey, did you say when you get back? What if I'm dead by the time you come back? Then why did I call you in the first place? I'm sure if it was Sapphire, you would have been jumping. You'd have been here by now. Really? When I come back, I will address it. This man has no atom of regards for me at all. As for that girl, that little rat, you know what to do to her.
Nancy has no idea who I am. I would have dealt with her today. Do you know she made that girl wash clothes overnight and still keeps her hungry? What kind of wickedness is that?
I've told you to calm down and sit down.
Babe, wait. Have you been listening to me since I got back?
Oh.
Because I don't understand all this.
You want me to listen to you? Right? I've told you to cut that family some slack. Or have you forgotten what Louis did to me? He left in the middle of our conversation simply because I was talking about his family. Oh, have you forgotten? Now, you went to his house to create a scene for what? What do you think he's going to do to the both of us when he gets back?
Oh. You are afraid. You've been minded of what Louis will do to you. Instead of to fight for me, your wife-to-be.
My wife-to-be? I've not even gotten married to you and you want me to start fighting everybody for you. Now tell me, what happens if I eventually get married to you? I will fight the world for you, right? That will suit you. Makes you happy.
What's that supposed to mean?
Oh, you can sort that yourself. It's a simple maths. Simple English. Please,
Tony.
I don't want it to repeat itself again. Please.
Tony. Well, I don't blame you. That's fine. It's okay.
I just told you my mind. Please. I don't know what these women want. Simple instructions. Fight to keep.
Sapphire! Where's this stupid girl? Sapphire! Sapphire! Sapphire!
Madam.
Where is Sapphire?
Sapphire. You see him?
You know you're very stupid. I told you your brain does not function when you think I'm joking. I asked you a question and you're returning it back to me, right?
Sorry, madam. You don't check those your dirty clothes. You know, say she did like wash plenty of.
You're very stupid.
Thank you. Welcome, ma.
Now tell her when you see her that I will kill her.
Okay.
I will not just kill her, but I will make her death very painful.
Okay. Sure. Thank you. And madam, in case if now you first see, I mean you tell her, say you go. Yes, I'm fine. Now tell her. You want kill that small girl. Our body go be inside the casket.
Mom, relax, okay? Don't worry yourself. Don't bother yourself. She's fine wherever she is. So calm down.
Eric, your father will soon call. What do I tell him?
Okay. Tell him what you've always told him.
Which is?
She's fine.
Derek, what if he asks to speak to her like he usually does? What do I tell him?
Okay then, I know what to say. Tell him that she's sleeping. Okay.
That's a good one. That's a good one. I don't know why this girl wants to put me into trouble. Hey, baby. Yes, I'm fine. Derek is very fine. Baby, you know what? Sapphire ate so much today. She ate pizza, she ate plantain and egg sauce, she ate shawarma, and she drank. She overfed herself and she's already sleeping. Yes, my love. Whatever happened in the afternoon, I'm not bothered about it. I just had to let it slide. Yes, baby. And you, I hope you're well. We kind of miss you just a little. Yes. Okay, be good. I love you. Bye. God knows I will strangle that girl when I see her.
Just will kill her and she must serve her punishment. But Mom, you didn't even give me a handshake, like high five, for my good plan.
That's my boy.
You know we are genius.
You know.
Let's sit back and wait for that girl.
Louis, calm down. It's not what you think. Come on, Louis. Okay, can we talk about this when you get back? Hello? Hello? I just finished speaking with Lois on the phone. He said the wife told him that you went to the house to fight with his wife.
Don't tell me you believe what that your stupid friend just said.
Oh, what do you want me to believe?
How can someone in America be so long there and still doesn't have sense?
Now tell me the truth. Did you by any means go to Louis' house with anyone?
Am I mad? Why will I do that?
Did you or did you not?
I didn't. I did not.
I just hope you're telling me the truth. Because I really don't understand you. I never asked you to go to Louis' house to fight with his wife.
I'm sure you've impregnated her. Before you impregnate me too, leave my house. Leave my house now.
Leave Ushas. This I go beg you. I go. Say impregnate. I mean why impregnate you? You were be like Banje where grow for fish pond. I mean why can impregnate you?
Am I the
If you near me. No, if wait first, man, serious. This is one of the work for you. See, look me well. Normally, if I beat you today, na Thursday. If I beat you today, will be Thursday. By Saturday, Undertakers don't carry your body. They dance. Don't follow me, Joko. If I beat you, you go be like who bath Dudu shoe soap. You see, now that small girl they pity for. That innocent girl where just leave the country, come here, the cause of her. Now she are just a pity for. I dey always tell her, and I go talk her for your face today. Not getting it where you go fit do. I say God go leave everything where they do for heaven. He go stop the creation. He go carry thunder where get stretched back. Take us strike you. You go be like winch where they break for transformer. Look, I not be a tinker. That auntie just too good. She too nice. She nice. This is another one I practice fight. When I not do the fight, I go give you the real romance fight. See, I go settle down, beat you. Not whether they settle down, chop up. I go deck you. I go daze you, and you go know where you come from. They follow me. They rise because you were never day sure whether you go date the marriage which evening, but it just they cash you.
Leave my father's house now.
Who be this souvenir? Wait, I been one go before. Man, just tell you the truth now. When you look the man where get this ass and your face, so not to resemble, you be party spoon. They share you for party. Now you take mistake enter this place. You know they see your at this age. Instead you go the baba bololo like me. Make better breeze they enter your brain. You carry air bush. You carry bush. Make animal they run inside lies. At this your age. Nothing. See the big winch. See the assistant deputy winch. Leave my father's house now. Leave my father's house now. You don't even know whether your papa self not even there alive. You don't even know that your papa self not be human being. Just they claim another person papa. No say I not too color B. Which you understand? I mean, walk up put the gates for myself. You don't walk up put the gates. No wahala. Because of the man where I get this place, I go open now. No wahala. Make that stone touch me. I go carry you go change for whether they change iron.
But mom, am I dumb? She said my hair is making me dumb. I don't understand.
No, that guy, he's a riffraff. Didn't you see the way he was talking? Blah, 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 blah. He's a fool. He's a big fool. Let me tell you, you are the smartest kid I know. You are. Let's go.
But mommy said that is not my father. What does it mean? No, now come and show me my dad. My dad is not my father. No, come and show me my dad.
You have not seen anything.
What are you doing here?
Wait, see this girl.
What are you doing here?
If I were you, I'll pack my things and run away.
Let me tell you something. You can never be me. And you will not be me.
You will be me.
See,
and you
get out from my room. Get out! Leave! Use the door.
Well, your gate man friend has gone. So I wonder who will pet you, console you when you're crying, like now.
Get out.
Look at this girl. Who
Get
wants to stay in
out!
your room? This is your stinking room.
Get out.
Have you even taken your bath?
Get out.
I better get out.
Get out. Leave my room.
Come on, will you shut up that your small mouth?
Shut up.
Are you just surprised at the gate man? I am disappointed at Sapphire. I mean, she could not even confide in me and she allowed that idiot lure her. Before I know what was happening, the gate man disappeared. It's okay, honey. I will do that. I'll take her to the hospital right away. Okay, my love. Please do take care of yourself, alright? What is it?
Please, I'm sorry for sleeping out.
Not to worry. I know how to deal with all your insubordination and disrespect. Derek was actually right. I know how to deal with you. Why are you standing here? Am I having a conversation with you? Look, get out! knew that nothing good will ever come out from you, this witch.
Please.
Even when you try to do something nice, you will find a way. No, that spirit in you, that evil spirit in you will spoil it for me.
Mommy, please. I'm sorry. Please. Mommy, it was an accident. It wasn't a mistake.
Don't even shut up, you're still talking. It was a mistake. I know it's a mistake. Mistake is free. But when you do mistake, there are consequences to all the mistake. You are still talking when I'm talking. Let me tell you something. Until you bring back my money, you will not eat in this house.
Oh, Mommy, please.
Get
Mommy,
out. I don't want to
please.
kill you. I don't want to kill you. Sapphire, go. Get out!
Mommy,
What is it?
I want to go and sell.
Then you should be on your way.
I don't know what
Go!
you're doing
Mom, I'm hungry.
here. You're hungry. Have you gotten my money? Have you?
But Mom, get it later. Why don't I just eat, please? Mommy, please. Derek, please help me. I'm begging. Please.
You want to eat? Longer throat will not kill you. Say that. Say longer throat will not kill me.
It's okay, honey. Please, I don't want to shout.
Mommy, please.
Before I open my eyes, you are out of here.
Who gave you this kind of thing? Sapphire! Who gave you this kind of thing?
You know that we get
Hey, come. Sit down here, you no go there, wait. Sit down here. Wait. So you mean? Oh, no. Ah, Felix, may your soul rest in peace. You mean say that madam carry this thing, they put you for road? Hi! I don't talk and say that woman, no be better person. I don't know since. No one go fit live with that kind of person before. That woman, she was past winch. Even when she tell me, say, pack your things and go, the thing sweets me. As I dey do this work, you know, say as I get peace of mind.
So you can work hard like
Now this one I dey do before your papa come employ me now. Now this one I dey do, but no worry. I know say very soon your papa go soon come back. And all this nonsense where they go on will stop. You know, say as this place dey okay. Now expensive motors now they park for here. Anybody motor na they pump for this city. Now people motor where cost from 10 million, 15 million and above. I know they do any small car like 2 million or 1.5 million, all those upcoming motor. No. Expensive motor now they do. Oh, this one, you know, since I carry and put for you because I dey safeguard them. As you see this tire now, so it cost pass all these tires where they here. Because this one na GL keke where just come out so, and they sell them 15 million naira and half. Told the both of you that there is nothing that can be done about this. The earlier you realize that what you're asking me to do is a criminal act, the better for both of you.
Darling, Call him. Call Louis, please.
Oh, you want me to call Louis? Your wife is maltreating your daughter. That is what you want. Hey, no! I'm not calling anybody.
Daddy, please.
Hey, sweetheart, don't go there. Don't. I'm not calling anybody, and that is final.
Darling, this is not fair.
Please, I don't want us to talk about this again. You can go do something else.
Felix! Okay, when you come?
What are you doing here?
Okay, now that one we go talk. Your wife don't sack me since, so now I come back to the work when I did do before you employ me.
Nancy? Nancy did what?
Okay, she don't do the one way past that one, oh. And this one a small one, at least I get what I do now. She don't do the one way past that one. You even get one day self, I come they try, they call you, because as I they see the way your pikin they suffer, body no sweet me at all. Your number no come they go, now me can send you that picture for WhatsApp. So that you go see wetin that woman they use your daughter eye they see. As I dey follow you dey talk, you never tell where sapphire up pass this place. She dey sell orange.
But that's not possible.
Wetin don possible finish? Even this Orange Market Association for this thing, they wan do election. Sapphire say she go contest, say she wan go for the position of treasurer. Make you know she don sabi the business reach. Na so that woman take do am.
Pump this tire for me.
Okay.
Hurry up.
Hey, baby. Yes, my love, we are fine. And you? Yes, Derek is fine. Oh, Sapphire. She's having a nap. Yes, my love. Okay. So when will you be coming back? Okay. Next weekend is good. We'll be expecting you. You know I miss you so much. Alright, love. Bye.
Nancy, my daughter Sapphire. Nancy did this to my daughter. Please call her. Hello? Yeah. Okay. No, 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 no. Oh shit, my phone. Ah! What was that? What was that?
Doctor, please, do everything you can to save her life. Please, doctor, please, please.
She'll be fine. All we need to do is to reach out to any member of our family.
Doctor, she's my daughter.
What?
Yes, she's my daughter.
Okay, fine. Every part of our body is okay. Just that.
Doctor, just that what?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What did you do to my daughter?
Mama, it was just a mistake. I didn't mean to harm her. I didn't mean.
Shut up! Nancy, if I lay my hands on you, I will kill you. If I lay my hands on you, Nancy, you won't survive in less than a minute. Do you understand? But I won't. Nancy, I won't. I won't because I am not a woman beater. And I promise never to lay my hands on any woman. You are heartless! You're wicked, Nancy! You're wicked! You're wicked. Felix!
Sir!
Throw this witch out of my compound!
Yes, sir.
Throw out! You
Yes,
will
sir.
hear. You will hear from my lawyer. You will hear from my lawyer.
Baby, Joe, please, I'm sorry.
Get out! Get out! Don't touch my daughter! Don't you ever come close to me again.
Please, please, come. Sorry. Sorry.
Come here, where you dey go? You know you're waiting to talk. Eh? Look, if you be application before for Android for this year, now format and delete now for delete you. You know go dey app store again.
No, Felice, please.
Listen,
Please beg on my behalf. I was just
you for that
jealous. I was just jealous. I don't know. She took all the attention from my husband. I'm sorry.
now you they beg me. Hey, see, you better come out for here now. So before I go throw you, you go hang for air.
Please.
You won't call me baby, you not see your life. Because of your evil, you don't know between your husband and your baby again. My friend, come on, move, come on for this place.
Darling, please, I'm sorry.
No, I go throw you across the fence. So. Come on, carry your back, carry out the smell like eczema. I know now your color deceive this guy. Himself, he just yellow, just see person, just call your marry. What did they do for the America self? Just go put down my best friend now for we share. But that share fine. We
I'm sorry for everything that happened. Please.
Hope you get better.
I'm so happy to see you guys coming around.
Come on, it's nothing. Go find. Things like this happens every day, and to some of us, they are lifetime lessons.
I should have listened to my daughter, Sapphire. Even my son, Derek, tried telling me on several occasions, but I was too busy loving Nancy and I never listened to this children. Well, the doctor said she might walk again after 6 months or a year.
Wow. But that is too long. Poor Sapphire, just hope. She'll be fine soon.
I am quite optimistic. She might walk again.
Of course, she will definitely walk again. It's just a matter of time, okay?
How come? You can walk. Baby, you can walk.
I can walk!
Yes.
I can walk!
Oh.
I can walk!
My God.
I can walk!
Yes, you can walk. Oh my God. You can walk.
I can walk!
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, how come? How come? Your legs are strong. Even stronger than before. Oh my God. Thank God. Come sit. Come sit.
Dad, I want to use myself.
Oh, okay. All right.
I can go by myself, Dad.
All right. Okay. Oh my. Oh God. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Ow! My baby can walk. She got out of the bed on her own. Oh my God! Ah! Sir, I promise I will do something about it. I give you my word this time. I will definitely see to it that something is done. I promise you, sir. I am about to lose my job. My boss has threatened to shut down my branch.
You cannot allow that to happen in your own time.
Come
Do you?
on, Tony. I have no power when it comes to a situation like this.
Damn it.
I was the one that led the team that lost the mega federal contracts that has brought me into the state of jeopardy. Don't you understand?
I do understand, but I really need to tell you that you don't have to worry about that because there are severe situations at hand right now.
I don't have to worry.
Of course.
I just lost a mega federal contract that would have brought me into limelight. And you're telling me I don't have to worry?
All right. My question is, what do you want to do now?
I don't know.
What is your suggestion?
I don't know. If I knew, I wouldn't be in this situation by now. I wouldn't be in this state of confusion by now.
I think your workforce need to be trained. Perhaps your company is going through this abnormal turnouts in productivities due to the technical know-how.
Listen, my friend. Ask questions before you jump into conclusions.
Just give you a suggestion.
No. Always ask questions.
I do.
Do you know this company you're talking about always send 3 employees to England, United Kingdom to acquire further technical training? Yet, nothing has changed and that has led the entire company into bankruptcy. Don't you understand where these whole frustrations are coming from?
Bro, take it.
No, don't tell me to take it easy. As a matter of fact, your house is beginning to make me feel hot. Like, this whole place is stuffy.
It's not because of my house.
Please,
it's because you're just
turn on the whole
inside.
AC, please. I'm very hot right now. I don't know what
Just
you're
relax.
talking about.
Huh? Are you going to kill yourself because
Get me a bottle of
you're about to get
water.
sacked? Just relax. Huh? Chill.
Technical know how work force this force. Soon you'll tell me it's a spiritual force that's behind this whole shit.
Yeah, I'm just giving suggestion, bro. So just relax. Things will be fine, okay?
Nonsense.
Dad, I've observed you since when you came back from work, and you're not in a good mood.
My daughter, this is way beyond what you can imagine. Not to worry. Dad will be fine, okay?
Dad, I know you will be fine, but I'm not the one who is worried there. You are. My cute and loving father, please tell me what's wrong.
The CEO of my company is threatening to sack me if I do not get my branch back in shape in a very short while.
Dad, what do you mean branch office back in shape?
I meant the productivity level is dropping at a very abysmal ratio. And the whole company is running into bankruptcy.
Dad, this is really serious. Very serious. So, how do you intend to go about it?
I have to...
Dad, Daddy!
Yes,
Daddy! You're not even listening to me.
What?
Bend the curve, Dad. Bend the curve.
What do you mean by bend the curve?
Back when I was in the US, I read one of my mom's book on management, and it's titled Principle of Bending the Curve. And my mom told me that concept has been her greatest arsenal. And when she's confronted with so much issues of this nature,
Tell Daddy more about it.
sometimes we spend so much resources and energy on the wrong people that will never guarantee a tantamount or equating proportion of output.
Explain further.
When you get here, you're stuck And you keep pumping these resources into these people. And you keep waiting for the expected result. But it doesn't come. You will find that you spend lesser amounts of energy and resources than the old people with better and positive productivity for growth and development, and put a reward on expected results. It will be a natural thing for competition for who will achieve the benchmark or earn the spotlight. Now you see, you won't only get a better result, but better, more competent and competitive workforce and people who are ready to achieve their goals and hungry for success. How do you like what I did, Dad?
Yes. Hello, sir.
Hello, Mr. Lewis. I am totally proud of you. I mean, when I heard you were the people of the equity in your branch, I thought you were totally going as planned. But I'm shocked. Kind of change that branch acquired nations by. I mean, your workforce isn't the best just in the region, but the entire nation. Look how you claims the federal government contract. I am so proud of you.
Sir, you won't believe who gave me this formula that worked like magic.
Wow. Well, I would like to meet such professional and tell them myself.
No, sir. It's no professional. Actually, my daughter taught me the formula. Yes, sir. She taught me the principle of bending the curve she had read from a book. Sir, did you say appointment?
Oh yes. You have been promoted to national managing director of the company. I mean, you deserve it.
Sir, this is the most important office after yours.
Yes, it is. And like I said, you deserve more. I will announce it at the board meeting at the job Monday. Once again, Mr. Lewis.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I am extremely grateful. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow! I did it! I did it! I can't wait! I can't wait to go home and share this good news with my most sweetest daughter, Sapphire. We did it! I feel good! I wish you got it now. I feel good! So good! So good!
Welcome, Dad.
My son and daughter, come and sit beside Daddy.
Okay,
Sit. How was your day? And I hope you're fine.
Yes, Dad, it was fine.
Very fine. Dad, you look so happy.
Well,
Yes, Dad. It's been a while since I saw you this excited. Like, yes, it's been long.
well, my children, listen. Daddy is not just happy right now, but right now as we speak, Daddy solemnly believes that he is the happiest individual in this whole wide world.
Wow, really?
Of course. Mhm.
Really?
Well, Sapphire, you have really blown my mind.
Wow.
You blew my mind. Boom! Like a bazooka.
Really, Dad? Okay, Dad, So what's the good news?
The good news is the bending the curve principle worked like magic.
Really?
And that is not all. Your daddy here today got promoted to the highest position in his company.
Congratulations,
Thank you.
Dad!
Thank you so much. So this calls for a big celebration in the history of mankind.
Yes,
But hold on, Dad. Hold on, Dad. I understand promotion, but I don't. Can someone please explain bending the curve?
Bending the curve
Means
is bending your big head.
Oh, that's not all. Bending the curve means bending your small mouth.
Well, my children, today we have to be in the mood of celebration. In fact, for the whole of this year, we are going to celebrate. If possible, we'll go to the moon and continue the celebration there.